Welcome to the cutting edge of luxury manufacturing. We begin our journey where true power and lineage meet. An armoured transport truck, gleaming in the morning sun, makes its precise reversal into our factory's modern receiving unit. This isn't just cargo. These are the majestic Grey Brahman bulls. Even through the truck's ventilated sides, their power is palpable. Look at the characteristic shoulder humps and long drooping ears, and above all, those magnificent, long upward curving horns. Sunlight highlights the truck's armoured structure, contrasting sharply with the cool, clinical blue light that invites them forward. The rear ramp lowers slowly. A healthy, muscular bull takes its first calm, confident step into a world of automated perfection. Its long horns glisten under the advanced industrial lights as it enters the sterile facility, moving with a strength that seems entirely unbothered by its surroundings. We move from the entry. This isn't a chaotic ride. It's a calm procession. These steady hoofbeats, captured at a low angle, belong to the Grey Brahman herd. They walk along a blue, rubberized path, a high-tech surface designed for safety and minimal stress. Watch this autonomous robot. It's small but critical. Its advanced sensors are constantly tracking, ensuring a safe distance, carefully avoiding those magnificent, sweeping long horns as it guides the bulls deeper into the automated system. It is a dance of machine and animal, guided by efficiency. Next, an automated gantry system overhead lowers, enveloping the large bodies in a fine mist. It's a gentle, sanitizing bath. Every inch is cleaned, but the system is sophisticated. It carefully sprays around the impressive horn structures, preserving them as it prepares the animal for the pristine interior. Mist sparkles under the LED lights as they complete the entry process. At a nearby AI station, every Brahman is scanned instantly. A camera overlaps predictive data, marbling score of biometric health. The unique silhouette of their long horns is part of the digital record. The screen flashes green. Intake approved. Premium Grey Brahman. Lineage and technology are now officially logged. We've seen the beginning, but now we must grasp the scale. This wide established shot reveals the megafactory exterior. Stainless steel architecture, ultra-modern, stretching under the morning sky. This is not just a building, it is a machine designed for perfection. We move inside to the automated transport corridors. These aren't standard corridors, they are spotless. High-angle shots show them designed for stress-free movement, guiding our specialized Black Angus cattle, which share this facility with a Brahman, with fluid ease. The facility operates on invisible data. A close-up shows a steer smoothly moving past an invisible sensor, instantly scanning its digital ear tag and logging its arrival. Data flows into the system. We move to a medium shot. Technicians in white cleanroom suits, a sight you would expect from a tech, monitor biometric data on a multi-screen control panel. This is real-time management. The flow must be perfect. Heavy pneumatic gates, close up, open and close with a synchronized low metallic sound. Another overhead misting system is active here in a massive bay. Automated to perfection, sanitizing the air and surfaces. In a wide view, supervisors in crisp white lab coats look over the high-tech sorting facility. This is pristine control. A massive digital floor screen close-up instantly displays the weight of a bar of steel. Tracking moves seamlessly, guided by persistent the live data is logged instantly on a touchscreen terminal. The corridors end, and a new environment begins. This high-angle shot reveals endless stainless steel overhead conveyor tracks. They are moving into perfect alignment for the processing stage. Thousands of moving parts, synchronized and silent. This is clinical modernity. A wide sweeping view. This temperature-controlled processing hall is vast. Bright LED lights make stainless steel gleam. In a close-up, high-pressure water jets are at work. They sanitize a vast network of conveyor belts before the first cut arrives. We find mechanical engineers adjusting precise, laser-guiding alignment systems. On the main line, a heavy-duty robotic arm stencils a bright tracking bar onto a clean stainless steel. Every tray, every product is traceable. Clean beasts now begin to move smoothly along a massive overhead rail system. An advanced 3D laser scanner emits a brilliant blue light grid scans across a beef side. It's creating a digital model. A digital monitor shows a real-time, color-coded internal structural analysis of the beef's internal marble distribution. We see the potential before the first blade is drawn. Data must become action. A fully automated laser-guided circular saw, close up, makes a perfectly clean, bloodless ribeye cross-section cut. This is not guessing. This is precision. This slow-motion macro shot is pure visual satisfaction. It reveals the intricate snowflake-like white marbling pattern embedded within the deep red meat. This texture is the signature of our luxury tier. A quality control specialist in a sterile suit inserts a digital thermal probe. Every batch logs the inner muscle core temperature. In a wide view, heavy industrial robotic arms with grace and strength separate the beef carcass into primal cuts. A massive automated band, saw, close up, effortlessly glides through the bone, leaving an edge that is perfectly smooth and bone dust free. It is a clinic with clean lines. Professional operators wearing protective mesh aprons, medium shot, manage heavy cuts on a main conveyor matrix. An automated high-velocity water jet cutter, close up, flawlessly shaves off a precise thickness of outer fat. A smooth tracking shot follows large, beautifully prepared primings as they travel down an endless white conveyor. Every piece continues its journey, logged by another robotic labelling arm, stamping an RFID tracking sensor onto a tray. Grading is final, and it is precise. A food scientist inspects the meat's colour profile under a standardized, calibrated light tunnel. A pneumatic food-grade ink machine close-up applies a crisp, Black Angus premium grade seal onto the exterior. This seal is the final passport for quality. We step from raw industrial grading into the refined atmosphere of the artisan's workshop. A massive automated sorting junction directs premium cuts into specialized processing wings. We find an artisan butcher in stainless steel chainmail gloves, medium shot. They are sharpening a long, boning knife. That ultra-sharp knife cleanly separates a prime tenderloin muscle from the bone. One smooth, flawless motion. Slow motion follows as the master butcher meticulously peels away the silver skin from a strip loin. Wide view reveals a row of uniform cutting stations, bright lights, total synchronization. We focus on a close-up, a hand knife shaving off micro layers of fat to shape a brisket flawlessly. Another close-up, a sterile white cloth pats dry the glistening surface of a ribeye steak. Geometry and beauty. High angle view. 5 pristine cuts are arranged geometrically on an industrial stainless steel table. This is the quietest room in the mega factory. The insulated stainless steel door with a thick glass window opens slowly into our giant dry aging vault. A tracking shot follows a massive avenue of whole beef loins, hanging uniformly from overhead racks. It is a church of preservation. A digital atmospheric controller maintains the perfect steady environment. Close-up of climate control fans circulating dry air evenly across the salt brick lined walls. This macro shot is deep concentration. It shows the dark, intensely focused purple-black crust forming on a premium loin aged for 30 days. It is aging at a molecular level. The lab technician uses a non-contact laser thermometer to scan the surface. We are looking for perfection, not speed. The natural, safe white bloom develops beautifully on the aged crust. This process takes 45 days. A mechanical lift lowers a mature 45-day, dry-aged loin down to the trimming table. Large industrial knives, close up, trim away the dark crust, exposing the deeply rich crimson interior. Slow motion. Concentrated natural juices glisten on the freshly sliced face of an aged steak. We have prioritized our ultra-premium beef, but this is a zero-waste facility where lineage is honored in every form. The Brahman horns, previously logged, enter their own specialized processing room. We see the massive automated bandsaw, identical to our beef cutting blade, flawlessly slicing through the powerful horn, leaving a perfect, dust-free edge. This will become the raw material for our luxury horn art workshop. Simultaneously, the leather production for both Brahman and Angus hides begins its transformation. We see an advanced high-velocity water jet cutter close up, shaving a precise thickness from the outer fabric of a premium hide. Every material continues its own journey towards perfection. Lineage takes new shape. We move to a new area. Our specialized Brahman horn sheets, flat and thermal pressed, arrive. A hydraulic die-cutting machine presses down firmly on cowhide,
Excellent.
stamping out
This
detailed
certifies the
panels for a wallet.
authenticity of the
A
craftsmanship.
craftsman
We
uses
are
a beveling
officially
tool to
aligned
smoothly
across
round
all
the sharp
three
edges of the
workshops.
cowhide. A robotic arm sprays a microlayer of adhesive smoothly. Artisan hands apply classical saddle stitching with thick waxed thread. Another workshop area, a multi-axis CNC machine, close up, intricately carves a cattle horn block, creating the elegant curves of an eyeglass frame. This is high-tech artisan work. A precision tool clean shaves the long bone of a magnificent tomahawk steak. It is geometry made edible. In a wide view, workers transfer premium beef cuts, horn frames, and leather wallets into massive stainless steel trolleys. All product streams now merge into final inspection. A digital scanner verifies the density of Black Angus beef against international templates. The journey of lineage and technology is complete. All paths merge into final verification. The quality control monitor flashes green. Passed. Perfect quality. Certification is sealed final. A hand places a serialized certificate of authenticity with a premium wax seal into the luxury wooden box. Close up. The presentation box, velvet-lined oak containing our prime steak, is closed. A heavy satin ribbon is tied, sealing this entire production process. Our final destination. A wide shot reveals the fine dining kitchen, pristine teppanyaki grill. This is the stage for the Wagyu, which we share this mega facility with. We've seen the beef, horn, and leather, perfect themselves. Now, we witness the presentation. Under spotlights, steam gently